This is me, JBO, singing vegan mum. How are you all doing? I hope you're doing really well out there. Wow, what a busy week it's been for me. But before I carry on, I'm going to ask you to do one thing for me, and you know what it is. Please guys, like just now while you're watching me. And now the big deal, the big one, please subscribe. Yeah, just press that button, subscribe. Lovely. It's been a wonderful week. I've got my new single Back to Love coming out very soon. Watch the very end where I'll show you some highlights of what's been happening this week. But let's get on with the business of food. I got hold of some aubergine and a sweet potato. Let me get them, hold on. So my lovely fruit and vegetable people gave me loads and loads of aubergines, and I have loads of sweet potatoes. And this is how these things normally start for me. I go, what do I do with this? And I thought I would make a sweet potato and aubergine salad with lots and lots of coriander to give it flavour. Really simple. Here it goes, guys. So let's get into it. Let's get into it. Really simple, right? You see, simple, delicious. Have it as a side with your dinner, have it as part of your main lunch. You should have added some lettuce and avocado and all that good stuff just to make it So guys, try that out, give it a go. Oh, so as I was saying, it's been a brilliant week. We are hurtling towards the release of my new single called Back to Love, coming out on the 3rd of July, which is next Friday. And I've been busy. I've been putting out my promo videos. I hope you've caught some of them. Here is one of my promo videos. Guys, did you know that hugging trees is a wonderful way of connecting with nature? If you're feeling lonely, if you're unhappy, just hug a tree, especially now during this craziness. So listen, if you're feeling away, just find one tree and hug it up, man. Let's just hug a tree.
No more stress, more stress, more stress.
So catch those promo videos if you're on my Facebook, if you're on my Twitter, if you're on my Insta. There's more coming next week. I got asked to perform my single live for Subculture. You can still get it on YouTube, it's still there on Subculture website. And then this week, loads more. And on Thursday, the day before, check out my Insta and my Facebook, because I'm going to be doing a live interview to launch my single. So check me out. Check me out. So guys, my salad was really flavorful, and that's what I like to do. A lot of people ask me, oh, it's really boring being a vegan, or what do I cook to make my food really interesting? And to me, I think vegan cooking is very interesting, especially if you use all the herbs that are available. So I use loads and loads of coriander in this recipe. Please look out for my single at the end of the week, 3rd of July, Back to Love, on all streaming platforms. And remember, for healthy vegan options, I'm your girl. I'm your girl.
No more stress, more stress.